Hey, what's up, you guys? If you need to tow a trailer, you're going to need wiring on your Subaru Forester. And quick and easy step to show you.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
Just open up this here. Now, Subaru made it quite easy for us. The wiring harness is just right behind this frame here. I'll show you how to get to it. First, you need to take out this here. Then you need to remove this inner foam. In order to get behind here, you need to remove this tab here, this tab here, remove this inner threshold, and just pop it up. It just comes right up. Next step is you need to get the push tabs removed from here, and you're going to use this simple tool. Also, I'm going to remove that there and this. Alright. You'll set that aside. I'll get my drill to remove this screw here and that one there. Yes. Alright, I'm going to remove this screw here. This will help me gain access to the quick connect that's behind there. And my drill, I remove this one here. Once that removed, I'll use my tool to open up the fascia here. And there you have it. Here's my harness. I will connect the wiring to. This part would insert into here. This is held by a fuse, which is a 10-amp fuse. You insert that into the slot. Make sure it's down. Cover it up. The harness get hidden away in the back here with a double-sided tape. Then I'll take the self-tapping screw and ground off the grounding wire to the side here. Alright. Once that's done, I can close my panel back. Thanks to Subaru, they made it simple and easy this to get done. And I'll put my screws back where I once removed them. There you have it. Then you have your access point here where the wiring goes. I'll put everything I removed back into place. Threshold goes back. Put that in like this. Threshold back into its original form. You can use a flat head, or as I'm doing it, just your hands. Place the foam back into its original spot. Apply the seat back. Alright, when you're ready to use it, you open this compartment here, pull out your wiring harness, lay it down to the threshold, shut it, and then when you're not in use of it, you'll open back up the trunk, You see there's no damage done once it's closed in on the door. You just store it back into the storage compartment and you're all set. Thanks for watching the video for the Subaru Forester. Have fun, be safe, have a great day. Bye-bye.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.